Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of cosine x divided by sine 2x plus sine x dx. Okay, so here if I define sine x as u, therefore cosine x dx will be equal to du. Okay, if you substitute these two equations into this integral, you can rewrite this integral as integral of, instead of cosine x dx, you see here cosine x dx, I simply write du. Instead of sine 2x, I write u2, because sine x is u, therefore that will be u2 plus u, okay, which is equal to integral of du over u times u plus 1. Okay, so to solve this integral, you have to first express this rational function as the sum of the partial functions. So therefore 1 divided by u times u plus 1, you can rewrite it as a divided by u plus b divided by u plus 1. Okay, so here if you do the algebra, you will get a will be equal to 1 and b will be equal to minus 1. Therefore this one will be 1 divided by u minus 1 divided by u plus 1. Therefore the integral of this term will be equal to the integral of this term. Okay, so therefore you can write here du integral of du u times u plus 1 will be equal to integral of du over u minus integral of du over u plus 1, which will be equal to ln u minus ln u plus 1. Okay, note that the integral of dx divided by ax plus b is equal to 1 divided by a ln ax plus b. Okay, that is the formula I use to calculate this integral. Okay, so now here you can basically rewrite this integral as integral of ln u divided by u plus 1. Here there should be a c here, that's the constant of the integral, plus c, which is the constant of the integral. Okay, because from algebra you should know that ln a minus ln b is equal to ln a divided by b. Okay, so this is a, this is b, therefore this minus this, you can write it as ln u, that is a divided by b. So here all you need to do is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which was the sine x. Therefore this one will be equal to ln sine x divided by sine x plus 1 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.